Hey techies! Today we're going to learn how to install Docker on our Windows 11 system. So stick around, let's do this. First step, go to your browser, any web browser of your choice, and search for Docker installation. You want to go to the official Docker website, which the URL is docs.docker.com, and we will click on Install Docker on Windows since we are installing on Windows. Or you can just click on the URL in the description below. Next, you can choose to install Docker executable file or install it on the Microsoft Store. Anyone is okay. In this video, we will be using the Microsoft Store because of personal preference. Now, go to the system requirements and view the requirements. Do note you can only install this in Windows 10 and Windows 11, and you do need WSL or Hyper-V. I already have WSL installed, but if you don't, it's really simple. Just open Microsoft Store, search for WSL, and download Ubuntu. I downloaded this one, but you can download any one of your choice. Just click on it and click Get. When that's done, search for Docker Desktop and click on it. After downloading it, it will immediately start installing. You need to watch out for the pop-up. When that's done, you can open it, log in or skip, and carry on with using Docker. I signed into my account, but follow the on-screen instructions and you should be good to go. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss this.